Hi everyone, Rich here from Cambridge Center Honda. I'm the parts manager here. I just want to talk to you really quick about a really cool feature about Honda vehicles, and that is in our genuine Honda wiper blades. When it comes time to replace the wiper blade, when the blade stops to squeegee the water off the windshield, starts to go streaky, you don't have to replace the full blade. Genuine Honda wiper blades have replaceable rubber wiper inserts. So when it stops squeegeeing and starts to get streaky, don't throw your blades out. Come and see us. What we'll do is we'll replace those rubber inserts for you. It's very easy. You can do it yourself. It's a matter of just pulling down, and then the whole rubber piece will just actually completely slip all the way out. I'm not going to do it today. We'll slip all the way out, and you grab the new one, slap it back in, and you're going to be good to go. So those wiper inserts are between $10 and $11 each, whereas a brand new wiper blade is going to run you possibly $25 to $30 per blade if you go with an aftermarket blade. So great feature and benefit of a Honda vehicle is that the wiper inserts are replaceable. All right, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.